Alright, ladies and gentlemen, trade breakdown natin sa last week. So last week, red week tayo kasi um, na-blow natin yung isang account natin, which is hindi naman natin kasalanan yun kasi ang spread sa Alpha Trader firm is super high. Hindi ko na breach yung 5% daily max loss, pero na breach nila kasi actually daily loss lang natin is 1.5, and then yung stop loss ko is 1,200. So I don't know what happened, but sketchy yung firm na yun eh. So again, USD CHF past weekly candle is doji, so meaning indecision. Hindi natin alam kung saan pupunta yung market. This one right here, weekly is bearish, daily candle is bearish, lower high, lower low. We're at market structure, beautiful price action, lower low, lower high, lower low, anticipating lower high to continue to the downside. But again, weekly is doji, so di natin yung price action but interesting this week kasi ito lower low, potential lower high, bearish engulfing candle, and then daily is bearish. 4 hour is, if you will count this, lower low, lower high, lower low. Dito ako nag-enter itong bearish engulfing, at the same time dito ako sa lower time frame. Tingnan natin. So sa lower time frame, very impatient ako nun kasi actually ito yung nakita ko. Ito yung higher high, higher low, higher high, break at 12 midnight London session. Ito yung entry natin, bearish engulfing. But again, stop loss hit tayo. Well, the same thing. Ito yung trades na iti-take natin na multiple times kahit kasi ito yung talaga entry signal natin, even do kay Alex. But again, mistake ko noon. Hindi ako naghintay ng a little bit like this, break and then retest. Ito yung interesting next week kasi meron siyang lower highs sa 4 hour. At the same time, yung daily time frame, hindi ako naghintay ng rejection candle. Supposedly naghintay ako and then retesting yung daily engulfing. So this week, ito yung number 1 pair natin. 4 hour nag-break, retest lower high, 15 minutes. So hopefully Monday 15 minutes niya is nag-break na siya, break siya dito, and then hopefully it will have like this break engulfing, so we can enter hopefully pre or London session. So ito yung number 1 pair ko for next week, even though weekly is doji, very weak candle. But let's see. EA, ito yung last previous kasi weekly is very weak. Hindi tayo pumasok dito. So head and shoulder, hopefully next week may retest to go continue down. Ito yung I don't trade this like this anymore. Ito yung kay Alex trade yung lower high, lower low, lower high entry right here. I don't do that anymore. USD CAD, last previous candle is bullish, but made a mistake kasi supposedly weekly candle is tayo mag-enter is bearish. Okay, lost ako dito. Bearish. Daily is higher high, higher low, higher high, still bullish. Again, nag-enter ako dito. Ito yun. Hindi pa siya kasi ito, akala ko dito, pero supposedly ang waiting ko is ganyan eh. Di siya nagbigay ng but I was so aggressive. So I learned from my mistake. O ganito sana yun. I was waiting for break and then retest. Maybe previous structure point at the same time retesting EMA. Then look for entry, but they never give it to me. I was so aggressive during that time. And then yan. So 1 hour, I should like wait on this. So lost ako dito. And then AUD CHF as well. AUD CHF. I was looking for doji to continue to the downside. Weekly is bearish. Daily, this time higher high, higher low. Actually bearish. We're at the market structure. So I thought this one is lower low, lower high. No, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, potential lower high, 3 days bearish, and then 4 hour. I was looking at this. I thought this one is yeah, I made a mistake on this because I was looking this price action continued to go to the downside, but this one's still bullish. Supposedly I was waiting like this, break, lower low, lower high, looking for an entry, but there's no entry. Let's go for 1 hour. 1 hour. I was continue on Friday, right? Friday. I enter on Monday at London session, running like 15 pips, then went to stop loss. So once again, made a mistake, broke my trading plan. That's how it goes.